What's up guys? The Mi Mix Fold just launched. We're gonna jump into a video recapping about it and some of the key specs I wanna highlight for you guys. Then we're gonna talk about why I'm personally not that excited for this device. Okay guys, so starting off with the Mi Mix Fold, this is Xiaomi's foray into the new world of Mi Mix. And we gotta start with just talking about the displays. We got an 8.1 inch Super AMOLED display clocked in at 60 Hertz, 4:3 aspect ratio, but unfortunately guys, 60 Hertz, 600 nit of brightness, and it's Dolby certified, which looks like it's gonna be a great overall nice and bright display. Now, in regards to the overall screen to body ratio, Xiaomi is packing a 75% screen to body ratio, which is best in class, and this wouldn't be anything without a great audio setup. Now, this has four 1.2.1.6 linear speakers. It's four of the speakers that I have on my Xiaomi Mi 10. This is all being powered at 15 volts. Now, on the subject of productivity, Xiaomi wanted to talk about all the extra productivity you get out of this with extra screen real estate, and they are going to be including a desktop mode. Now, it's left up to be seen whether or not this desktop mode will be something that you can access via HDMI out. That would be great though. Next up, guys, we have the overall hinge that they tested 200,000 times, but as we know, testing a hinge in the lab, totally different than testing it in the real world, and it's up to be seen how it's gonna fare out. Battery, we have a 5,020 milliamp hour battery, biggest battery of any foldable device on the market, paired with 67 watt wire charging. No wireless charging though, but biggest battery, fastest charging, any foldable device. Great job, Xiaomi. Now, on the outside, we have a 6.52 inch Super AMOLED display clocked in at 90 Hertz, 700 nits of max brightness, and this is all being powered by the Snapdragon 888 CPU. Camera-wise, these cameras are the main camera is the same main camera as I have on my Redmi Note 10 Pro, the Samsung HM2. We have a 13 megapixel ultra wide, which sounds very familiar to what we have on the Poco X3. And we have a liquid lens 30x optical tele macro camera with a movable lens element that allows for you to take macro as well as long distance shots. Really, really cool, innovative stuff in the Mi Mix Fold, guys. Now, this is all going to the Surge S1 chip, and it wouldn't be Xiaomi without the best price of any foldable on the market today. Before we talk about my thoughts and opinions on it, I want to remind you guys to smash the subscribe button. I'm going to be getting a Mi 11 device. You guys are going to be voting on that on an upcoming poll link down below. Okay, now personally, the reason why I'm not specifically that excited about the Mi Mix Fold is because essentially it's going to be another tablet from Xiaomi. And if we look at the past that Xiaomi's had with tablets, being a Mi Pad 4 owner myself, the MIUI experience on that device really was just not optimized for the large screen factor. A lot of the native Xiaomi apps didn't work that great or didn't take that much advantage of the extra screen real estate that I had. And a lot of the experience still felt very much just like a larger phone. So we're gonna have to see what Xiaomi does with built-in apps, see what kind of apps on the market currently support the extra screen real estate, either from tablets or from foldables, and see how much extra utility we actually get outside of Xiaomi's added desktop mode, which is a great start. Now, I would love to see that be desktop mode out over HDMI for people that wanted to connect this to an external monitor. Knowing Xiaomi though, that's probably a corner that they cut. Please prove me wrong in the comment section down below. But the reality is that Xiaomi, at least in their current ecosystem and with the current ecosystem of tablet optimized Android applications, I don't see a lot of extra added versatility, a lot of added functionality necessarily with this outside of expanded multitasking for other Android apps, which that in and of itself might be enough added functionality for you. But for me, I would like to see more tablet optimized stuff the way I have for iPads. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till next time, peace.